Okay, so I'm back with the third and final look with the Mothership VIII by McGrath. This has been such a beautiful palette to work with, and I cannot wait to show you the third and final look that I have for you with this palette. Okay, so I want to do a very simple crease, as always. So I'm gonna grab just a tiny bit of Naked Blush, and I'm gonna go right here. Oh my god, these are so pigmented, my goodness. I was just gonna go for like a wash of color of this, but there is no going back. But I'm loving it. Okay, so I'm just gonna place it right there. Gonna grab more. And go back and forth on my other eye. And I want to use all the golds, or mainly all the metallics in this palette together. That looks so good. I think this is my favorite shade of this entire palette. It just doesn't disappoint. So I think I'm good with that one. I'm gonna grab another brush and I'm gonna go in a little lower, but I'm gonna use the second and only matte that's in the palette, which is Extreme Burgundy. And I'm just gonna add some definition right here in the outer corner, just like that. I'm thinking this is gonna be such a quick look. There's not a whole lot of blending because these eyeshadows are so pigmented, but like easy to blend. You don't have to spend hours doing your eyeshadow. They basically blend themselves. And I'm loving this combo right here. Burgundy with the peach. Looks amazing. Okay, so now that both eyes are done with both of those colors, I want to do something super crazy. I'm just kidding, it's not that crazy. But I want to go in with these three kind of like goldish metallic eyeshadows. And I'm going to go in with my pointer finger, and I'm just going to put this right here, right by the burgundy color. And I'm just gonna start adding it just like that. Oh my god, that looks so good. Okay, now with my middle finger, I'm gonna go in to the next one, which is like this beautiful gold, and I'm gonna put it right in the middle, going towards the inner corner, and then mixing them both together. That looks amazing. Wow, that actually looks so good. Okay, next eye. Now with my pinky finger, I'm gonna go into the champagne shade and go right in there. We can always clean it up, but just in that little gap, and also right in that inner corner. I can't do the other side. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with that gold again, just to not waste it, and kind of mirror it on the bottom. Oh crap. And then with like the copper shade right in the middle, and I'm gonna grab a little bit of Naked Blush and go right here to work on my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna grab a little bit of Extreme Mahogany and keep it right up to that lower lash line. Okay, I'm gonna speed you through my lashes and I'll be right back. I'm gonna put a little bit of Skin Show Rose Opal right up here to finish off the look. Oh, that looks amazing. And that's it. That's look number 3. It was so easy and actually very quick. One thing about this palette that I love is that you can get an amazing look without like too many steps, too much blending. It's just super easy. It's probably gonna be one of my go-tos. Out of all 3 looks that I created, I feel like this is my absolute favorite look that I created with this palette. So I hope you guys enjoyed all 3 of the looks that I created using the Mothership 8 palette. I know in my last video I called it the Mothership 3 palette, but that's not the correct palette. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.